Let me show you how to make your own cough syrup at home the natural way. This recipe has been passed down for centuries in China, where cooking Asian pears with white fungus and dates is believed to soothe the lungs and relieve coughs. Take an Asian pear and remove both the skin and the core. While you're doing that, soak your dried white fungus until it blossoms into a soft, fluffy flour. Usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Cut it into small pieces and add enough water to cover and cook for at least 20 minutes. Then add in your pear with the skin, red dates, a spoon of rock sugar. Steam for 30 to 40 minutes until the pear turns tender. When it's done, remove the pear skin and enjoy the rest.